Hey, what's up guys? So I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE here and I've been waiting for it for some time now, but finally it's here. So this one is 256 GB storage and 12 GB RAM and up from the base version. So I wanted more storage in this one, and this is obviously the Tab S10 FE, so does not have an AMOLED display. It has TFT display, but that's alright. Samsung displays are really good anyways. And this is 10.9-inch display size, so this is the base version. So that's the tablet. This is really thin. I just want to put it aside, and this is our pencil. It's very comparable to the Apple Pencil, but yeah, this comes in the box, so that's the plus point. And here I believe we have a SIM ejector tool in here, and inside we'll have the charging cable. So no charger in the box, and that's pretty much it. So this is the tablet. Let's unbox this. How do we open it? Like that. And so we'll just slide it out, and this way, there we go. That's the tablet. This is really thin. I think this is 6mm thin, so that's really thin. And we have a 10.9-inch display size. We have the camera right here, if you can see it. We have connectors at the bottom here. We have a speaker here. Do we have a speaker? Yes, we have a speaker here as well. So let's turn this on. While this is turning on, I want to compare the S Pen that comes with it with the Apple Pencil. So this is my first generation or second generation Apple Pencil, and this is the S Pen. It looks the same. It has this flat side just like Apple Pencil, but it is slimmer and shorter. So no worries. It feels like a real pen in the hand. So there we go. The tablet is on. Let's go through the setup. And I'm gonna skip it all for you guys and come back on the other side. So here he's telling us about some of the intelligent features that the One UI 7 on this tablet has. So things like object eraser, best face, edit suggestions, custom filters, auto trim. Then we have AI select and read aloud as well. So some of the really cool Galaxy AI features are made onto this tablet as well. And then we have auto blocker and all that stuff. So these are Samsung services. We will accept to them, and then we'll go with light theme for now. And let's go to home. So there it is. That's the Samsung Galaxy S10 FE tablet, and it looks really cool. Alright, so that's the notification panel, and if we go from here, then we get to our quick controls. Swipe up and we have our apps. We have Samsung apps here, Google apps, Microsoft apps, Galaxy Pics. So this is really cool. We get GoodNotes and LumaFusion pre-installed by default on Galaxy tablets. So here is the camera. So this one is 13 megapixel camera, and we have a 12 megapixel front camera here, and the rear camera can actually record up to 4K 30 FPS, which is great. And we also have the option to add an SD card in here. So here you can see that because we have fingerprint scanner in the power button, not only does it turn on the screen, it also unlocks the display, and it's really fast. So there you go. This is the S Pen, and it attaches right there. If you don't like it here, you can also attach it at the back. And the connection at the back is actually much stronger as compared to it's here. It's just hanging in here on the top, but here it's properly attached. It's not gonna go anywhere from here. This one is just, I think, the holding place for while you're using the tablet. So yeah, that's Samsung Galaxy S10 FE. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments, because I'll be going in a lot of detail on this tablet and the Samsung ecosystem, how this works with Samsung phones, how this works with the Samsung laptop and Samsung Buds and all that stuff. So if you want to follow along and watch these videos, make sure that you subscribe and hit that like button. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.